Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Maintaining a balanced and healthy diet is crucial for individuals managing diabetes. Crafting satisfying and diabetes-friendly dinner recipes doesn't have to be complicated. We've curated dinner recipes that are not only delicious, but also designed to help keep blood sugar levels in check. These recipes combine wholesome ingredients and flavorful spices to create meals that everyone can enjoy, whether they have diabetes or not. Baked eggplant parmesan. Ingredients: eggplant slices, sliced lengthwise, whole wheat breadcrumbs, or almond flour for a lower carb option, egg whites, whisked, low, scar marinara sauce, part skim mozzarella cheese, grated. Instructions: preheat the oven and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Dip eggplant slices in egg whites, then coat with breadcrumbs or almond flour. Bake until the eggplant is tender and the coating is crispy. Layer baked eggplant slices with marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil leaves. Bake until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve the baked eggplant parmesan with a side salad for a satisfying diabetic-friendly dinner. Are you tired of struggling with high or low blood sugar levels? Our comprehensive guide offers proven natural methods to help you take control of your diabetes. Say goodbye to constant worries and hello to a healthier life. Click the link below in the video description to access our valuable insights and start your journey towards better health today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and kitchen tips. Until next time, happy cooking!